guys, if you are new here, it's your girl favorite Chinazo, and I am a Nigerian YouTuber passionate about helping creators grow and make money online. So let's be real, YouTube isn't as easy as it looks, yes, especially when you are just starting out in Nigeria with limited resources. But trust me, we can get through it. Yes, and I've been there. In fact, I am there. So today, let's dive into 5 common mistakes new Nigerian YouTubers make and how you can avoid them. Let me know in the comments which one you've been guilty of. Okay, let's dive right in. So number one on the list is neglecting YouTube thumbnails and titles. Yes, let's get started with what everyone sees first: your thumbnails and titles. I'll admit my early thumbnails were trash. Yes, you can go through my previous videos on YouTube and you'd see that, nope, they were bad. But I was thinking that my content would speak for itself. But here's the truth: YouTubers won't click, or viewers won't click, if the thumbnail doesn't grab their attention. So, as a suggestion, if you have not tried Canva, go now and download Canva. It is free and easy to use. And I have a few tutorials on how to use Canva to create click-worthy thumbnails and titles. So go on Canva right now and create bright, clear, and bold designs. That is what would make you get the clicks and the views that you want, what you want to get on your videos. So do not neglect thumbnails thinking that your video is valuable enough for people to click. No, viewers won't click if the thumbnails doesn't grab their attention. Okay, now I want to ask you, how much time do you spend on your thumbnails? Drop your answer below because I am curious. And as a reference, click on this link here to go and watch my tutorial on how to create a thumbnail using Canva for free. Okay? Mistake number 2 is focusing on subscribers instead of engagement. Yes. Here's a mistake I made for months. I was obsessing over the number of subscribers I have. I was obsessing about how much subscribers I am getting per day. Yes, I would keep refreshing my dashboard on my YouTube studio 10 times a day, hoping to see that the subscriber count increases. But guess what? YouTube cares more about the watch time and engagement than your subscribers. Okay? So here is a tip for you. I want you to focus on creating content that makes people comment, like, and share. Yes, it's that engagement that you need, and it's that engagement that will get you the subscribers that you are looking forward to. Okay, so here's a challenge. After this video, I want you to go and check your analytics. What's your average watch time? Let me know in the comments. Okay, mistake number 3 is inconsistency. Yes, inconsistency is killing your channel. Raise your hand if you ever said, I will upload tomorrow, and tomorrow turns into next week, and next week turns into next month. Yes, if you see, prior to last week, my last video was 11 days ago, and I am still paying for that inconsistency. And here's what I've learned: consistent uploads helps YouTube recommend your videos more. Yes. Now, I have said this in my previous videos before, and I'm repeating it. Pick 2 days or a day in a week and commit to uploading on those days. If I can do it, so can you. So I am also committing myself to being more consistent on my channel. Okay, but first of all, I'd like to know in the comments, what is that thing that is stopping you from being consistent? Let's share your thoughts. You can share your thoughts in the comments. Let's see if we can get a solution to that. Okay, so let's talk in the comments. The fourth mistake that many of us make is skipping keyword research. Yes, if you are not using keywords, you are playing hide and seek with your audience. Trust me. But there are tools you can use. Tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy are lifesavers, especially for small creators. If you go on my channel, I have a tutorial on how to use VidIQ. VidIQ is a lifesaver, trust me, for small YouTubers especially. And the free feature, you do not have to pay. The free feature just does the work. Okay, I'll give you an example. So instead of titling your video a vlog day or a day in my life, you can make it something searchable. Okay, you can say a day in the life of a Nigerian YouTuber as a single mom or as a single lady or living alone, something searchable. All right. Now, here's a fun question I would like to ask you. When was the last time you Googled your video topic before uploading? You do not just at the top of your head come up with titles. When was the last time you Googled your video topic before uploading? Be honest. Let me know in the comment section. The fifth mistake is believing you need expensive gear. Yes, many YouTubers hold back, or many supposed YouTubers or upcoming YouTubers hold back because they think they need high-end cameras or microphones. Yes, but trust me, you really do not need. You do not need to get a camera. You might not even need to get a microphone if you know how to edit your videos well. And then you do not necessarily need to get a ring light if you can get access to natural light. You have a window. Shoot your content in front of a window. Place it strategically so that the light reflects on your face and you have a bright video. Simple. Now, as regards the audio, you can use CapCut to edit your audios. There are features for noise cancellation and voice enhancement options. So you can use that if you feel like your audio is not clear enough. All my videos are shot with basic smartphones. And guess what? Nobody knows, nobody cares. The point is you are giving value. When people watch, they are leaving your video with something tangible, like something to think of. Just give value. Okay. Now, here's a pro tip. I want you to start with what you have. You do not necessarily have to invest in expensive gears. Subsequently, if you have the money, please feel free and go ahead and invest. But start with what you have. Okay. Now, a question for you. What's that one thing you wish you had to improve your videos? Share below and I would love to know. Now, as small YouTubers, I want you to remember that we all make mistakes, okay? But learning from them is what makes the difference. So which of these mistakes are you guilty of? I have mentioned mine, so let's talk in the comments so we can grow together. And remember, consistency and quality over perfection always wins. All right. So if this video added value to you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend who's just starting their YouTube journey. We are all in this together, and I cannot wait to see your success in 2025. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.